Guys, Steve and Kylie here from Top Guns out of Terre Haute, Indiana. Kylie, what are we gonna take a look at today?
Today we're gonna do the Glock 29.
And you've never shot a 10 mil.
I have not, so it'll be a first time for me.
We're looking forward to this one. Glock 29 has a height of 4.53 inches, weight with an empty magazine at 26.81 ounces, overall length is 6.97 inches, barrel length that's 3.78 inches, magazine capacity of 10, standard Glock sights, MSRP of $695, but you'll probably find this out at retail. I'm gonna guess probably in the mid to upper fives. Kylie, this is your first experience shooting a 10 mil, and on top of that, it happened to be a compact 10 mil, and 10 mils can be a little snappy. Not only what was your opinion on this particular one, but was there anything that you noticed that maybe you could have done differently while shooting?
My grip was not high enough. My grip was not tight, so shooting it made it be snappy, jump out of my hand, recoil hit. If I had improved on that, it probably would have been a better experience with the gun, but taking that out, I liked it.
Sure.
It shot really great, but I probably should work on that. Not saying my grip is always bad, but with this one it just was not.
Yeah, you just for whatever reason you didn't grab up high enough on the back strap. Yep. What are you gonna give it?
I'm gonna say 4.
4? I'm actually right there with you. I'm gonna give it a solid 4. I think that quality to, I think to how it shot relative to its price point. And of course, although we're not necessarily rating on this, but Glocks do have a good reputation for reliability. We didn't have any issues today while we were shooting it. I happen to like the 10 mil. I don't carry one on a regular basis, but I do own one that I sometimes will carry for special occasions, maybe in the woods, something of that nature. So I'm gonna give it a 4 as well. For those people that like to see you shoot on video.
And outshoot Steve.
I don't know that you did this time, did you?
I have before though.
She has. She has. Absolutely.
You want to see more of those videos? You hit that bell. Get notifications when we upload stuff.
What bell?
Underneath our screen.
There's a bell under our screen? Wow. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Take care.